Good morning students, now it's time for English grammar and today we will be doing the revision work of chapter 3 singular and plural nouns. We know about singular and plural nouns, but all nouns do not have a plural form. Some nouns can be counted and have a singular form as well as a plural form. So there are many nouns that do not have plural form. So some nouns that can be counted and have a singular form as well as the plural form. The nouns that are one in number are called the singular nouns. So the nouns that are one in number they are called the singular nouns, and the nouns that are more than one in number are called the plural nouns. The nouns that are one in number are called the singular nouns, and the nouns that are more than one in number are called the plural nouns. There are different rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. Some singular nouns, there are many rules, so we will do. Number one rule is some singular nouns are changed into plurals by simply adding s to them. So the singular noun, if we add s to it, there are many words that changes into plural form, like desk, desks, girl, girls, house, houses, forest, forests. If we add s to the word, it will become a plural form. Finger, fingers, book, books, rabbit, rabbits. Car, cars, window, windows, flower, flowers, tree, trees, street, streets, apple, apples, fruit, fruits, ring, rings, basket, baskets. Next, for singular nouns that end in a vowel plus y, we add s to make them plural. So any word that ends with a vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u are vowels. A, e, I, o, u are vowels. If it ends with the vowel plus y, then if we add s to the word, that singular noun also change into plural. For example, toy, C-O-Y, O is vowel, if we add s, y. So if we add s to the word, it will be toys. Monkey, E, vowel, plus y. Monkey, monkeys. Trolley, trolleys. Way, ways. Boy, boys. Day, days. Airway, airways. Guy, guys. Key, keys. Valley, valleys. Birthday, birthdays. Joy, joys. Donkey, donkeys. Tray, trays. Chimney, chimneys. Essay, essays. For singular nouns that end in a consonant plus o, we add es to make them plural. So any word that is ending that end in a consonant, that is apart from the vowel word, that is a, e letters, a, e, I, o, u, when there is the word that is ending in a consonant plus o, if we add es to them, it makes them plural. Let's see hero. O is at the end, but before that R is a consonant, so hero. If we add es to the word at the end, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Buffalo, O and the previous letter is L, so it is a consonant. So if we add es to the word buffalo, it becomes buffaloes. Volcano, volcanoes. Potato, potatoes. Tornado, tornadoes. Echo, echos. Tomato, tomatoes. Next, for singular nouns that end in a vowel plus o, we add s to make them plural. Studio, studios. So it is ending with o, and before that there is a vowel word, that is I. And so if we add s to it, it will become studios. Radio, radios. Scenario, scenarios. Video, videos. Zoo, zoos, ratio, ratios, bamboo, bamboos, shampoo, shampoos, igloo, igloos, kangaroo, kangaroos, tattoo, tattoos, portfolio, portfolios. Next, for singular nouns that end in s, ss, x, sh or ch, we add es to make them plural. Again, I am repeating, for singular nouns that end in s, ss, x, sh or ch, we add es to make them plural. For example, bus, buses, bench, benches, church, churches, fish, fishes, class, classes, wish, wishes, lens, lenses, address, addresses, box, boxes, glass, glasses, inch, inches, complex, complexes, watch, watches, dish, dishes, coach, coaches, gas, gases. Next is for singular nouns that end in consonant plus y, we add ies to make them plural. Now look at the example. Lady, the word D is a consonant, and if we add y to it, and at the end we are adding ies. So ladies, activity, activities, spy, spies, puppy, puppies, enemy, enemies, library, libraries, theory, theories, study, studies, duty, 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 and if we are removing y, we add ies, duties, 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 sky, skies, lorry, lorries, cherry, cherries, baby, babies, story, stories, reply, replies, 50, 50s. For singular nouns that end in f or fe, we change the f or fe to v and add es to make them plural. For example, knife. See, we are changing fe to ves. We are changing fe to v and add es. Knife, knives. Calf, calves. We are changing f to v and then adding es. Loaf, loaves, loaves, loaves. Leaf, 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 leaves, leaves. Half, 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 halves, halves, halves. Thief, 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 thieves, thieves, thieves. WOLF, wolf, WOLVES, wolves. Wife, 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 WIVES, wives. LIFE, life, LIVES, lives. SCARF, scarf, and when it will change to plural, the answer will be SCARVES, scarves. Shelf, shelves. Self, selves. Irregular plural nouns. We place E or EE in the middle of some singular nouns to change them into their plural form. Some singular nouns change completely to change into their plural form, and some singular nouns remain the same in their plural form. For example, man, men, men, man. Goose, geese, geese, geese. Person, people, people, people. Deer, it will remain the same. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Hair, hair. Aircraft, aircraft. Foot, it will change to feet. Child, it will change to children. Fish, it will remain same, fish. Series, series, the word will remain the same in the plural form also. Woman, women. Ox, oxen. Sheep, sheep. Species, species. So this is the worksheet. Like singular, plural, you use s, es, is or vs to change each of the following words into the plural form. Table, tables. We are adding s to it. Baby, we are adding ies to the word. Brush, brushes. Scarf, scarf. We are adding ves. We are removing f and adding ves. Pencil, pencils. Mango, mangoes. Knife, knives. knives, knives. Spy, spies, spies. Story, stories, stories. Thief, thieves. Diary, diaries. Dot, dots. Wish, wishes. Bus, buses. Hero, heroes. Worry, worries. Change each of the following sentences into its plural form and rewrite. The lion caught the mouse. The answer will be the lions caught the mice. I saw a star in the sky. I saw the stars in the sky. The bee sucks nectar. The bees suck nectar. The camel has a hum. The camels have a hum. The boy missed the bus. The boys missed the buses. Choose the correct word and rewrite each sentences. The woman or the women clean the floor. The answer will be the woman clean the floor. My aunt has visited many countries. My aunt has visited many countries. Have you met her sister or sisters? Have you met her sisters? These potatoes or potatoes, POTATOS or POTATOES are rotten. The answer, these potatoes, POTATOES are rotten. The Red Indian chiefs or chief, CHIEFS is the right answer, held a meeting. This dress is 10 inches or inch short. The answer will be right. This dress is 10 inches, INCHES, inches short. Our teacher will check our copies. The answer will be right. Our teacher will check our copies. COPIES, copies will be is the right answer. After the rain, the ponds, PONDS ponds were filled with water. After the rain, the ponds were filled, PONDS were filled with water. The oxen or the oxes are plowing the field. The oxen are plowing the field. Change the number of each highlighted noun and rewrite the sentences. That man has a buffalo that is strong. These men have buffalo that is strong. These geese have blue feathers. These goose have has blue feathers. The farmer's ox is resting under the tree. The farmer's oxen are resting under the tree. The wrestler's sponge broke his teeth. The wrestler's sponge broke his tooth. His feet got dirty in the mud. His foot got dirty in the mud. The maid chased the mice. The maid chased the mouse. So we have finished our revision of third chapter. Look at the worksheet and copy all the works in your notebook. Thank you.